Hi guys, I'm sorry for not uploading any new vlogs for the last few days. Been really busy. Haven't got any time to film breakfast or lunch for you guys. However, I've been editing some old video clips I have on Redang and I'll be uploading them today. So stay tuned. After dropping my son at school today, I received a phone call from my son stating that he left two of his textbooks at home and he asked me to bring it. Being a good dad, I decided to bring the books to him. But in the future, should I bring the books for him or should I just let him fend it off with the teacher? What do you think? Leave a comment.